There's my two boys. Noah, come on. Let me see Noah. Shades pa yan, no? Wow. And Kuya's playing basketball. Okay, shoot. It's too high. Can you make it? It's too high, Kuya. Tingnan mo yung isa, gwapo. Whoa! Are you vacuuming outside?
Outside.
Outside?
Catch me.
Kuya's too fast running.
Catch me.
Awa. Ay, Nathan pala. Yun po yung kalamansi namin right there in the corner. Hopefully it would live. Kuya, shoot Noah. Shoot Noah. Uh-oh. Hindi tinatanggal yung shades, oh. Hindi tinatanggal yung shades ng gwapong yan, oh.
Oh
Ay.
yeah.
Nathan. Okay, shoot Noah, shoot. Shoot. Ah, missed it. No, missed. Okay, bye-bye na. Ow! Kuya. No, don't hit the camera. Okay, bye-bye.